Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the DX-98VHP. This is for Chris in Washington. Chris asked for his amplifier switch to be here on the sides. That's what that switch is. We'll be starting with that off. And I didn't get set up here. My 50 slug here. 10 watts there. So we got regular. Yeah, regular barefoot power. There we go. Radio's on up, and let's take it in there. Alright, so about 3.5, almost 4, and down to about 1/2 watt. And such was the switch off, remember. The peak power here, the 50 slug. Rating power in the middle. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And sideband on this low power mode. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, about 22. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and pop that switch up. Take this out, put in a 500. We're going to start this on the 10 scale. We're going to turn the power all the way down again and go back to AM. So AM power all the way down. It's just a hair off of 6. And here's a 100 watt scale on the top, and 60 all the way up. Okay, our 500 meter here. It's 300 right there. 250 is that little mark. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. I'd let you listen while we do this, but it's got the CP1 compressor in it, and that takes any real soft audio and tries to make it louder. So there's just no running the talkback and having decent loud audio too. You just can't run the talkback on with that mode. Okay, and now let's try sidebands. We'll go right over here. Remember, we're on the 500 scale. Audio, check, 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 check. So that's about 220, 225. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Okay. That takes care of that. Put it on there, here. Nothing. How about any of you guys on 16, you out here, give me a radio check. Come on, bring her. How about a 15? Can I get a radio check real quick? It sounds okay. Where you at? 10-4. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your time.